Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison. Hope you're doing well today. Let's take a look at how to make sure your sharing settings are correct for your final project on your Google site. So when you're on your Google site, we are going to look up top here at this bar. We have a couple of key buttons here. The first one is the publish button. So once you have checked your website, everything is feeling good, you'll click publish. It will probably give you another option. I've already done this, so it'll give you a preview of what you're doing and you'll hit publish again. Because I've already made those changes, you might also get that message, okay? But publishing, just make sure that your work is saved and good to go. The next one we want to do is make sure that you have a link that is viewable to everyone. So we're going to click on this plus button. You don't have to share it with specific groups or people. Instead, down below where it says links, let me get my screen bigger here, you're going to click this change button. And we need to make sure that when it's published, that it's public, right? And then for draft, you can choose what you want, but really this is the one that we are concerned about. We want to make sure that it's public. You can also say Poudre School District, but public will ensure that there's no funky stuff. So like if someone is trying to access it with a different computer, or you made it on a different computer than your school laptop, that just makes sure that everyone can get it, okay? Then you'll click done. When you are ready to get the link, then you can just click this little pay-per-click link looking thingy that you got there. You can click that copy link button, and then you would go into whatever group you're in, paste it next to your name. All right, I hope that is helpful. I'm excited to see your projects.